Install day, 8:31 a.m. Your phone buzzes. It's your client. She's been texting her way through the morning since the crew arrived at 7, and until now it's been fine. Excited updates, a photo of the gutted kitchen, a thumbs up emoji. But this one's different. Something looks off with the upper left corner. The doors look crooked. Is this normal? Should I be worried? You stare at the message. It's an overlay door before the hinge adjustment. It always looks like this at this stage. You've seen it 100 times and is in fact completely normal. Welcome to the Elevated Podcast. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. This is the preempting the punch list. You type the explanation. Hinge adjustment happens at the very end of the install after everything is set. All doors will be aligned before the crew leaves. Everything's fine. Send. 3 minutes later. Okay, but the gap on the right side looks bigger than the left. I'm trying not to panic, but I'm panicking a little. Here's what's happening. Your client has never watched a kitchen installation before. She has no frame of reference for what in progress looks like. The open face frames, the doors that aren't flush yet, the countertop that hasn't been templated, the hardware still in a bag on the floor. All of it looks unfinished. That's because it is unfinished. That's what midway through looks like. You know this. It's old hat, but she's standing in her kitchen watching strangers work, and every unfamiliar thing looks like a possible mistake. Beware reactive reassurance. Fielding each worry as it arrives doesn't fix the anxiety. It trains the client that texting you produces immediate attention. You'll spend the entire install day managing panic instead of doing anything else. The fix is the messy middle message. 24 hours before install, you send a brief text or a quick voice message, whichever lands warmer, from a template you've already built. Light personalization at the top, maybe 30 seconds of work. Hey, name, your install starts tomorrow, and I want you to know what to expect. It's going to look chaotic before it looks finished. You'll see open framing, doors that don't look aligned yet, counters that aren't in. That's all completely normal. The crew adjusts doors and hardware at the very end, and everything is set. By the time they pack up, it will look like a kitchen. Text me if something seems genuinely off, but if it just looks unfinished, that's exactly where it should be. You built the template once. The personalization takes 30 seconds. You send it the day before every install without thinking about it. The next morning, something different happens. Instead of, is this normal? You get, this looks exactly what you described. The upper left is a little funky, but I'm trusting the process. Then a photo of the finished kitchen. Then, this is better than I imagined. She's not calmer because she's a different kind of client. She's calmer because you gave her a frame before the anxiety had a chance to fill the silence. The AI note-taking guide has the messy middle template, along with the install day communication system that keeps your phone in your pocket instead of in your hand. Get it at cabinetnotes.com. Next week. It's the 5th time this week you've explained inset versus overlay. Different client, same question, same 15 minutes. There's a better way, and you only have to do it once. Hit subscribe.